Think about this. That slightly soft tire on your car right now. It's not just low on air, it's a literal hole in your wallet. Most drivers are losing over $1,000 in fuel and premature tire replacements without ever realizing why it's happening. The problem is often invisible. You walk past your car every day and your tires look fine, but even being just a few PSI low can create massive rolling resistance. It is like trying to ride a bicycle through thick, heavy sand. When your tires are underinflated, your engine has to burn significantly more fuel just to keep the car moving at highway speeds. Over a year, that added friction can cost you hundreds of dollars at the pump as the efficiency drops significantly. But gas isn't the only cost. Low pressure causes the tire to deform, putting the weight on the outer edges of the tread. This leads to uneven wear, meaning you'll be buying a new set of tires years earlier than you should have to. The extra heat generated by this friction doesn't just kill your mileage, it compromises the internal structure of the rubber. This increases your risk of a dangerous blowout on the highway, which could lead to expensive repairs or much worse. So what is the secret tip that pros use? Most people make the mistake of reading the max PSI listed on the side of the tire itself. Do not do that. That number is the maximum the tire can handle, not what your car needs. To find the perfect pressure for your specific vehicle, always look at the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This number was calculated by engineers to give you the best balance of fuel economy, safety, and tire longevity for your car's weight. Grab a simple digital tire gauge. They are inexpensive and incredibly accurate. Check your tires in the morning while they are still cold, before you've driven more than a mile, to get the most accurate reading possible for your maintenance check. By spending just 2 minutes once a month to keep your tires at the right pressure, you can save up to 11 cents per gallon and add thousands of miles to your tire life. It's the easiest $1,000 you'll ever save. Check your pressure today and stop letting your money leak out into the air. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to follow for more simple car hacks that keep your vehicle running better for less money.